also known as a horseless carriage. This vehicle was actually the very first one to drive up and down Main Street, USA, commissioned by Walt Disney. Other than that, that's about it.
Are those original miles?
Actually, yes. But as you can tell, the odometer only goes up to 99,999, and it flips about once every 5 minutes.
Here we go. And you're all ready for the rain.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right, here we go, folks. Where are you from?
I'm from San Diego.
All right.
Wow.
Well, watch out, there's a lot of vehicles on the street. That's very dangerous.
So how long have you been driving cars here on the main street?
6 years.
Oh, okay.
I've always said when I retire, I'm going to go to work at Disneyland. So
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
This is like fun driving those cars.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. Looks like we're going to get rained on here pretty soon, huh?
Yep.
I guess it's on its way, huh?
Yeah, it's here.
Looks like we're getting rid of these people in their shirt tails.
Yeah, it cracks me up how some of these people, you know.
I can't believe it. Yeah, short t-shirts and
And they wonder why they're cold and got a cold next day.
yeah, really. You remember that movie, Judy Garland?
Yeah, actually that was on like a couple weeks ago. Carriage right there.
Yeah. Alrighty, folks, thank you now.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, Jen.
Have a good one.